Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to jumble words. So if you want to jumble words, we can use the manually. Like as example, I will jumble like this word. You can sort this, right click, and then you can click cut tools. So it will be automatically cut. And then I will place at this point. So you can right click again and then choose paste. So it will be jumbles the words manually. Another option, if you want to change only one word, you can use the find and replace tools. You can press Ctrl F to open the navigations like this. You can sort in this point. You can go to replace. Like we can set for find what. In here I will set into N. And you can click find next. So this is for the example word. And if you want to change with symbols, you can type like here. You can click replace all. The N will be automatically changed with 27 replacement. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to jumble words in Microsoft Word. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.